controversy, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is facing backlash for his incendiary remarks during the March 17 Assembly session, where he claimed that most criminal activities in the state are committed by members of the RSS and the Bajrang Dal. The statement quickly went viral on social media, triggering strong reactions. Taking legal recourse, the RSS member from Bengaluru filed a defamation complaint against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, accusing him of making baseless and damaging allegations. The complainant alleges police failed to act on prior complaints, forcing him to approach the court. Bengaluru court, in fact, is slated to hear the case on June 26. Defamation suit has ignited a fierce political battle in Karnataka. BJP leader C.T. Ravi has hit back at Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, saying that RSS is an organization that teaches patriotism. He also said that the CM has a habit of lying and must stop maligning such groups.
आरएसएस संस्कार देता है, राष्ट्रभक्ति का शिक्षण देता है। वायलेंट देने वाला कांग्रेस के साथी है। कुकर बम लेकर के कौन जा रहा था, उनके बारे में क्या कहा केपीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट? उन्होंने कहा दे आर ऑल आवर ब्रदर्स। कौन ब्रदर्स? टेररिस्ट करने वाला। ऐसा काम आरएसएस अभी तक किया नहीं। आरएसएस के बारे में झूठ बोलना सिद्धरामैया जी का पुराना आदत है। केवल कांग्रेसियों का आदत नहीं, वो उनके साथ सिद्धरामैया जी का पुरानी आदत है। मुझे लगता है ईर्ष्या है। उसके लिए झूठा आरोप करता है।
And Samajwadi Party has taken a strong stand against the RSS. SP's Manoj Yadav slammed RSS, saying that RSS undermines constitutional values, opposes equality and has no right to raise objections over the remark by the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Listen in.
RSS पे सवाल किए जाते हैं और हर उस टिप्पणी पे सवाल होता है जो RSS भारतीय संवैधानिक ढांचे में घुस के करता है, या जो भारत की एक व्यवस्था है, जो परंपरा है, संविधान के तहत देश को चलाने की बात है, उसको डिस्ट्रॉय करने की बात करता है। मुझे नहीं लगता है कि आरएसएस का ऐसा कोई भी कृत्य है जिसके आधार पर यह कहा जा सके कि भारत को आगे बढ़ाने में आरएसएस का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण योगदान है, क्योंकि मैंने आरएसएस के इतिहास को जितना पढ़ा है वो संविधान विरोधी, दलित विरोधी, पिछड़ा विरोधी, अल्पसंख्यक विरोधी और इस देश की बहुसंख्यक आबादी का विरोधी रहा है और उस व्यवस्था का विरोधी रहा है जिसमें सबको हक और अधिकार मिले। इसलिए आरएसएस को बुरा मानने का कोई अधिकार ही नहीं बनता।
Let's now go across to my colleague Neha Hebale joining us on the broadcast. More on this, Neha, have we heard anything from Congress netas or the Chief Minister himself on this entire controversy?
Well, Hina, as far as this new defamation complaint here is concerned, we haven't heard from the Congress party. But, earlier in the past as well, when the BJP has raked up issues like this, or when the RSS workers, in fact, have raked up issues like this about how, the Congress party has been lying about them, they've often, of course, defended it, saying that, RSS has been an organization that's known to just spread lies and hatred in the society. It's often been quite a heated, political, intense war of words there that, of course, breaks out now. And yet again, even as, of course, this complaint has been filed now, the matter is likely to come up in court here. You have a war of words that's sparked off. The BJP, of course, hitting back here, saying that the Congress party is known to spread lies, and which is why, in fact, of course, yet again, you have the Chief Minister lying like this. We'll really, of course, have to wait and see. One thing that's quite certain is that the political fight over this is far from over.
All right. Thank you very much, Neha, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on the story. With this, we will slip into another short break. More news and updates on the other side. Stay with us.